Hi, welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. Today we will be making paper pinwheels intended for ages 6 and up. Supplies that you will need will be paper, scissors, pencil, ruler, push pins, tape, and plastic straws. You're going to need a square sheet of paper. You can use one that's colored or one that already has a design like this one. You'll flip the paper over so you can draw on the back side, which should be blank. You'll start off by drawing a dot in the middle of the paper. Next, you'll want to draw a line halfway from the corner of the paper to the dot, so somewhere around here. You'll do the same thing for each corner. You'll go ahead and cut along each of the lines. Okay, your paper should look like this so far. Next, go ahead and mark an X on each alternating corner. X, skip, and X. Next, go ahead and begin folding each of the marked X's towards the midpoint. And yes, they should all be touching. They don't have to be perfectly aligned as long as all of the pieces of paper are on top of each other. Okay, next you're going to get a push pin and push it through the center so that you can keep all of the corners together. Okay, so being careful about not accidentally poking yourself, you're going to flip the pinwheel over and then you're going to get your plastic straw and stick it through the push pin. Okay. So you'll see that you can see the push pin right here. So to fix that, we're going to get a bit of tape and put a couple pieces over it. Just make sure that it doesn't touch the paper, otherwise it'll prevent it from spinning. And this is what your final product should look like. Thank you for joining Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Make sure to share photos of your completed craft online and tag us with #ILoveHPL. Thank you and see you next time.